Talking to Griffey like, man, it's now or never. Chasing big endeavors, facing stormy weather. I say okay, cause it just makes you better. Can it break me never, hard cold as December. Bet I remember
Good morning, my fregos. So today is our very last day here, and we are going to the koala breakfast buffet animal theme. Basically it's a zoo but also a buffet, so you're able to see animals and eat breakfast. That's it. That's the last thing we're doing today. Alright, see you guys there. What is up, my fregos? I finished my breakfast right now. I'm out here just walking around because there's nothing else to do. Zoo actually opens at 8:30. It's 8:15, so I'm still waiting. Breakfast was mediocre, but you know, we didn't come for breakfast. We came for the animals. So that doesn't really bother me. But there was a big breakfast. There was yogurt, water, barbecue sauce. What else was there? Fruit. Cupcakes, just a bunch of regular breakfast stuff, and really that's about it. I've got nothing else to say. We're just waiting. So we are back from our lovely trip at the zoo. Basically what happened was we went inside. We just forgot one factor, that the animals sleep as well. So basically when we went in there, everything was basically asleep. So on the first day, when I realised that we could feed birds here, I realised that I must feed a bird before I leave. So this is what we're doing right now. We're feeding a bird. Look at it. So cool. You want another piece, buddy? Here you go. Where are you going? I'm not going to eat you. Oh, that's wrap. What is up, my fregos? Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Hope you guys are enjoying your time with your friends and family in the festive season. Please help me grow this channel by liking, subscribing and sharing, and also commenting. Comment downstairs about what you like and what you don't like about the channel, what you think about the content. I want to chit chat, I want to interact. Come on, please. Alright, if you guys done that, please do that. Previous videos up here though, so if you guys want to watch that as well. But again, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Peace.